Let's look at something you probably won't get too often. I'm talking about platinum prices. So why should we focus on that right now? Well, because the price is stuck in a large inverse head and shoulders pattern. We can draw a trend line here that goes via the February 14th high, March 18th high, and as recent as the May 12th high. And when we draw that line, we would usually measure from the bottom of the pattern and assume that whenever we break this trend line, we could gain by the same amount as the difference between these 2 points. That suggests that prices could gain with up to 12%. Now, what's interesting here are two things. Firstly, is a daily chart. So breakouts on the daily chart have a higher success rate. Number two is a pattern that is 90 days old. That's very interesting because these type of patterns are usually in the sweet spot. They spend enough time maturing and they're also not too old, because some patterns that are older than, say, a year, even though they might be on the daily chart and you have a breakout, there's a higher chance of a false move. So this one is super interesting given the way it's looking right now. So how would I trade on the back of this one? Well, I think as an initial bit, we would like to see a break of this 1000 level. And imagine we break that level. Whenever we break it, we want to see a quick push to the upside. So we definitely want to see the price maybe trading at 1016, 1017, maybe 120. So nice and quick breakout. And when could that happen? Well, imagine we close where we are right now and then tomorrow have a breakout. And we place the stop loss at the low of the day, then that would have a stop loss of roughly 1.76%. Compare that with the potential reward, and you're looking at a 7x risk to reward ratio. Now, the beauty of this, as I said many times before, is that we wouldn't necessarily look for this whole move. Rather, even if we do something less aggressive, like a 6% push, then you're still looking at a very good risk reward ratio of 3.51. So things are looking very interesting for platinum prices, especially as well given the fundamental backdrop. What are your thoughts? Would you trade something like this?